All right, guys. This is Stateroom L306. That's Lido 306. I literally just came in here and dropped my suitcases off. I haven't really done a thorough tour of this room, but it looks identical to my room on the Emerald Princess, or not the Emerald Princess, on the Diamond Princess. I'm a bit sweaty because I just walked from that train station after that 80-mile train ride from London to Southampton. But yeah, here we are. This is the Emerald Princess is looking like it is almost an exact clone of the Diamond Princess, that class of those Princess cruise ships. Decent sized bathroom. This room is a regular balcony. It might be an extended. I don't know if it's like a fancy balcony or not, but let's check it out. But yeah, it's actually really spacious room. It is, like I'm saying, it was bigger than my hotel room in London. Can I get out of here? No. All right, now here is the balcony. We got 2 lounge chairs out here. There's a couple little tables. This is the port of Southampton. There's a couple ferry ships in there, a couple tugs, a series of double-decker buses, and yeah, there she is. And Stateroom Lido 306, L306. Pretty good. What I like about Princess over like Norwegian is so you get a mini fridge, which is nice. It doesn't come full of little bottles of booze for like $15 that you aren't going to drink anyway. All right, we're gonna crank this all the way. But yeah, you get tons of storage room. Like the closet space on these boats is ginormous. You got your little safe in here. You got more storage for your shirts, your pants. You got storage. You have enough storage to. I mean, this is enough space to hang up all the clothes I own, basically. You're like, that's not saying much, but yeah, nice room. Good work, Princess Cruise Lines. Awesome. All right, Lido 306, Emerald Princess. We're departing on a 12-night European capitals cruise here. It's we're sailing to Belgium tomorrow, and yeah, Belgium, the Netherlands, we're to Amsterdam, Oslo, Norway, Gothenburg, Sweden, Belgium. Yeah, you already said Belgium. I believe it's Brussels, Germany, and Le Havre, France, which is 2 hours north of Paris. Anyway, 12 nights. It's May 22nd, and it was a lot of travel for me. It took me a couple hours to get here because I came from London, and this Southampton's like about 2.5 hours southwest of London, maybe like 70 miles. But had to take trains, had to walk. Whew! Wild trip. Ships, trains, planes, subways. All right, guys. Well, thanks for checking out my video about Stateroom Lido 306 on the Emerald Princess. Have a great day.